Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to share an Instagram reel with your friends. So let's get started. Imagine you have come across an amazing reel on Instagram and you want to share it. Here's what you need to do. Find the reel you want to share. On the right hand side, you will see a row of icons. Tap the paper plane icon. It looks like a little paper airplane. This will open a list of your followers and people you're following. To share the reel, simply tap the blue send button next to their names. But that's not all. At the bottom, you'll find more sharing options. You can copy the link and share it on any platform you like. You want to share it through other apps, tap the share button. You will see options like SMS, Messenger, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, and even Twitter. For example, if you choose SMS, it will open your messaging app so you can send it directly from there. And thus, you can also send it through Messenger, WhatsApp, and any other app. So that's it, guys. Sharing Instagram Reels with your friends is super simple and gives you plenty of options to connect with them across different platforms. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.